in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite Google extension for screenshots. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Google Chrome store. You can just type that in, Google Chrome extensions, and click on that. Then we're going to head over to the store, and then in the search on the right hand side, we're going to type in screen. I just typed in SCRE, and my favorite one here is the blue circle with a red partial outline and gold on the other part. It's SCRNLI. And then you're going to click Add to Chrome. You will need to have a Chrome browser open right now, so I'm going to add that extension. And I have my extensions in the top in the toolbar here. So that's been added here. So I don't see it right now. So I'm going to click on this little puzzle piece right up here by the browser tabs. And we're going to scroll down until we see that. It says Scroll Me Screen Recorder, and click this little pin, a little thumbtack looking part. Okay, to do a screen recording, you can click on that and see the options. You can do visible page. That makes an exact copy of what you see on your desktop. You can also click download image or PDF file. You can share it, you can copy it and paste it into another document. So I'm going to download it as a PNG. It goes straight into the downloads file. We can open it up. It looks just like the screen that we were in, okay? So the next thing it does, you can also do, let's see. I don't know why that isn't working. What's going on here? It also does the entire page. So let's see how far down this goes. You can see the footer below. We're going to do entire page. Look at that. It does the entire page. So let's see what else it will do. Oh, I need to go on a different browser here. Okay, so here's our Google page. You can also do browser window, add image. You can also do a partial page. You can do the selected area. I'm going to do that one because it's my favorite. So all you do for a selected area, you're going to get these little crosshairs. You can see I'm circling in the top left corner around that blue circle. And then you left click and open it up. And I'm just going to capture this part of the page right here. Okay, see, it captures part of a page. Sometimes it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So if you have it on zoomed in times 200, it might not be as accurate. So if you want to zoom it in, you can go to view and zoom it in or out. And I like it to be on 100. So that's what your screen normally is. So those are the basics of how to do screen capture with the SCRNLI Screen Capture Chrome extension. I hope this is helpful. Bye.